Well, welcome back to Big Dog Repair. It's getting colder out now. I've been sick for about 10 days. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to finish this video up with this Kohler 20 horsepower Courage. But first, I wanted to thank Ken from Ken's Small Engine Repair for calling me once in a while and saying, "Hey, how you feeling? How you doing? Is everything okay? If you need anything, let me know. I'll be right there." Now that's a true friend. Or John Clem, even from Mississippi. He'd call me every day. And because Miss Lisa is in forensics, I give her what my problems are, and there were just too many problems to figure out what my problem is. But that's a man thing. Also, while I was sick, I received a gift. It came from Australia. Yes, sir, Mr. Tom, Vintage Repair. He sent me, it looks like chocolate or something. We'll have to open it and see what's in there. Vintage Repair. Vintage Creative Carving with Tom. Spoon Carving with Tom. All right, let's, there's a lot of tape on here. Let me get a knife. See, Tom has two stations. Vintage Repair and Spoon Carving with Tom. So this came from Spoon Carving with Tom. Same guy, different name. More tape. This guy likes to wrap it good. I showed him that I had a knife. It's a carving knife, actually, and he asked me if I had anything to sharpen it. Well, you know how our way of sharpening it would be on a grindstone, right? But seeing Mr. Tom makes these kangaroo leather, this kangaroo leather, strange looking leather, and inside or is this the that's a cover. I don't know if that's kangaroo leather too, but I think this the inside is kangaroo leather. And you sharpen your knife on here. It's got a nice piece of redwood in there between, and a little coarser. Maybe that's just so it doesn't move on the table. I'll have to check one of his videos out to see how to actually use this. Let's see. There's another piece that just fell down. Now, is this a part of the gift, or is this just a filler? We'll find out. It's a bill. It's a bill. So it's a gift with a bill? What is it? Man, Tom, you don't have to use all this tape. Australia's out of tape almost. Nobody wants to know what's in here. I think I know what's in here. Last time I talked to Tom, Tom said he is going to be sending out stickers. And if I'd be kind enough to give Ken one. Well, of course I'll give Ken one. Stickers for Hank. Stickers for Ken. Ken, this is for you. It'll be here waiting for you next time I see you. Keep up the great content and enjoy the sharpening. All right. Thank you, Tom. Appreciate it. This will go on the sticker wall. So I want to finish up this Kohler Courage 20 because who knows how much longer I have in here before I freeze to death. Or can I make any more videos out of here? Okay, so let's get started. Be right back. Okay, let's get this thing back together again because it's going to be a while before I can mount it on something. Let's get the regulator out of the way. I mounted it on this stand, my stand, because otherwise it'll be on a box or on a floor or somewhere. I'd rather have it a little higher like this. All right, we need to clip this in. Okay. Now we can mount the regulator solid. Two 5/16 bolts will tighten up that regulator. Okay. Now let's put the starter in. Starter have two, I believe 3/8 or 10mm bolts on them. You want to keep the power supply one out a little so you can get to it. Okay. Go. Now, I took the flywheel off because there was a problem here. I never tightened it back up, so let's tighten the flywheel back up. It's supposed to be 9/16, right? Let me get a 9/16 right here. Half inch, 9/16. Oh. Half inch. It's not half inch. It's not half inch, it's not 9/16. So it must be 13 millimeter. Okay, 13, 12 or 13 millimeter. Okay, here's 13. Here's 12. Yeah. 13 millimeter and a half inch. That's 3/8. Alright, that's good enough. Now we need something for spark. Let's move this out of the way a bit. All right, we went between 10 and 12 thousandths feeler gauge in between. So if we take out our feeler gauges here, I like these long ones because they'll do a lot more wraparound. And take our 12 thousandths out. I like using 12 thousandths. All right, let's back you up a bit. Turn you around. Now over here we want to put the pump, fuel pump. So let's grab it. I'm not doing too much talking today because it's just getting better now. What was that? 8 millimeter? Yeah. I just want to get this done. I like filling them with oil first before we put them on, because you'll have a dry start with the dry cylinders. You can get some problems done there. Okay, hand tight's good. Now let's put some oil in. Okay, I think that'll be enough for now, for first start. All right, we got gas put to her. Here's our pump, air filter. This is going to be our choke, and there's really no high and low or fast speed. It's just a choke, and well, we'll see. Let's give it a shot. Let's see if it'll start. Got the gas on, plugs in, cold start. I put a new battery in, so we'll see. Let's check it out. This is out of the 3, no good, Kohler Courages. I built one Kohler Courage, and we'll see if it runs. So, choke and start. I shut her off by shutting off the anti-backfire valve because this application here is going to go on that Cub Cadet, and I don't know exactly what wires are going to be needed or whatever. But let's put the skins back on and see what it looks like. So, you ready for the great big reveal. It's not the muffler that's going to go under, but that's the one I had for now. Put the skins on. It's a 20 horsepower now, Kohler, right? 1 of 3. Looks good, huh? Now, we're going to run it. Let's just check the oil one more time. We're going to run it and let it run for a while. Yeah, we got to put a little more oil in. It's a break-in oil anyway, so we'll have to change the oil eventually. Okay, let's see how we did. All right on the full mark. Perfect. So let's start her up, let her run for a while. Got the air cleaner on. Got new oil in. Everything's been done. Pump's working. It's a good looking engine now. Let's light her up. Running on low. We'll let it run like this for a while. Maybe until the gas runs out. Then we'll check for leaks. No leaks. Next time you see this, it'll be going into a custom deck. It is the paint thing. Better job well done by Big Dog Repair. Over and out. Well then, it's been about an hour that Kohler is running in the backyard. Let's go check on it. See if it's still running. Been cutting the grass, letting that run, so let's see what happens. far no leaks of any sort. Everything's dry. Everything's dry. Okay, I'm going to call this one good. Thanks for watching.